So behind me is the Lobo truck, and the Lobo truck is exactly that. It's a truck built out of recycled dirt track stuff, and it's being built on the least amount of money possible.
What the hell was that?
There you go. Have at her, Bruce. It's Unboxing Monday.
Right.
Taking safe sex too far. Alright, well that's gotta go.
Yep.
Hey, no dents and no rust.
Yeah.
Can't have that shit.
Not used to that crap.
This doesn't have the yellow light on it either. It's upside down. But it doesn't fix that problem.
The backup light.
Is it backup?
Probably.
I thought they were like a little bullet thing. I don't remember what these tail lights look like.
Don't know.
That makes it look a little better.
Yeah.
Makes the truck look a lot fucking lower.
Oh.
Yay. You get all the fun jobs. New one. Is that where the other one went down to? That was quick.
Oh.
Try and make it look like we're professionals. I'm getting closer. Many hands make light work, right? That
Yeah.
works.
Okay.
Alright, this is gonna look cool. Now this will work. Trying to put a dash in and hold the camera. Good? Oh, I used your bolts, so you're gonna be short of bolts.
Doesn't get us lined up.
Beautiful job, Mr. Baker.
Thank you.
Fill a panel in there, but there.
We still got a little bit bigger gap here than we do on that side.
Do we?
Just a little bit.
Okay, so we're gonna make a cover panel that goes down here and follows back all that crease line. But other than that, Bruce did the titty job there and got her in there beautiful. So there's a tab got to go to the bottom of the dash to hold that. Here we go. Alright, so we got these patch panels here. And what we're going to do is we're going to get rid of this fiberglass piece and use the steel ones in there because we're having so much trouble with this crappy fiberglass keeping shape. So we're going to use the steel to put on a latch mechanism and everything, and then use it to pull back against the steel. So, like they trained angry beavers to grind on these fucking things. Jesus. So, it's going to take a lot of work to get them ready, but yeah, it is what it is.